Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Cypherium wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cypherium wallet application on your device, and once it is opened up, if you are logged in already, you will directly be taken into your home page. Now from your home page, if you wish to change your password, tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into the settings page. From the settings page, go ahead and tap on private key password and you will be taken into your password changing page. Now first of all, you will need to type in your current password within the original password box. So type in your current password within this box and then type in your desired new password within the second box. Finally, type in your desired new password once again to confirm it and then tap on the confirm button after entering all of these. Now once you tap on the confirm button, you will directly be taken into your home page and your password will immediately be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Cypherium wallet application account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.